Today guys, I'm gonna do one Cleef unboxing. It's my first one Cleef piece and I'm not sure how to react. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of my first Van Cleef piece, and mostly my, I would say, high-end jewelry. We're talking about designers jewelry consists of either Hermes jewelry, because you know we have to buy Hermes jewelry. Not that I don't like some of the Hermes jewelry, but I purchased them specifically to obtain a quarter bag. And then I learned to love them. And Cartier, I love Cartier. To me, Cartier is really substantial jewelry pieces. You can like feel the weight of the jewelry. You can see the craftsmanship. I have some Cabana jewelry as well, and I have some, I would say, non-branded but Italian makers jewelry that I purchased myself years ago. So they're Italian makers, 18 karat gold, but they're not specifically some kind of like, you know, major brand jewelries. And Van Cleef, it's been on my wait list already kind of like, you know, a few years. I'm kind of almost quietly dreaming of Van Cleef, and this year I decided this year is a year. I have to get myself a Van Cleef jewelry before it gets another price increase. And I thought I'm gonna go with this piece. So let me, I already did slight unboxing because clearly I have to see it. So it comes in this kind of box, you know. And then when I opened the box, there was this kind of protective felt right on top of this specific box. So let's do unboxing. It might not be exactly as it was packaged before, because clearly, you know, I already opened it because I have to see the piece just to make sure that everything is okay. So, oh, if you're gonna hear some kind of barking, it's my doggies. So that's how it looks like on top. On top, it's this kind of, I don't know what I say, the panel, and inside this panel it's sticked or attached the booklet with certification. I believe like authenticity certificate. Oh gee. So that's how it looks like inside. And then inside there's a travel pouch. There's let me see what is it's over here. Just don't want to see if there is any numbers. I guess it's a condition for the return. So it's like a return condition. And then there's some kind of envelope like that, I guess, if you want to give it as a note, as a gift. And then there is this booklet with the authenticity certificate. It's really pretty. It says like all kind of services that happening at Van Cleef and actual certificate of authenticity. Let me see how it looks like. Yeah, so here is the actual certificate. I'm not gonna show obviously the number. So that's how it looks like, all these little pieces. I have to take this all away very, very carefully. Then there is this little shopping bag, but frankly this little shopping bag wouldn't fit the box. It's only if you want to put the actual jewelry piece inside. Then there is another documentation, and then it just kind of like that inside the box. But then it was also inside this kind of paper, which is, I already removed the paper. Okay, and these ribbons, I just want to show you, even the ribbons, I hope you can see over there, there is a butterfly, like you see There's these ribbons and there is a butterfly. How pretty. It's really pretty. What can I say? It's truly pretty. So, and here is the box, and ta-da! So this is vintage Alhambra earrings in yellow, gold and onyx. When I opened the package and I look at them, I was like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. But then I tried them on and I don't know how to feel about it. So let me just put them on and you will tell me what you think of these earrings. Before I put them on, I just want to make sure that it focuses. You see there is a post over there, and then there is a right on top of that post there is another kind of like an opening where you can shift the post, because there is a two position of the post. I never saw anything like that at any other jewelry brand, so you can actually move this post to your ear to adjust, and they call this soldering services, so you can just come to the boutique and they will adjust it for you. And when I try them, because like, you know, and the reason because they have these services, because obviously everybody has a different position of the ear loops, and I mean the shape of the ear loops, and then you have also different position of the piercing, like, you know, your piercing could be higher, lower. And right away I noticed that my left ear is much better, because like my piercing is not exactly very identical. Let me just see if I could be. So that's how they look like. One thing I noticed right away, I think I almost wanna, if I have some kind of tissue, I wanna wipe them, because the slightest touch, and you can see the finger prints, but my right ear loop has a piercing a little bit higher, so they're not equally sitting on my ear loops, and this one is way more painful. So they said that they can adjust, but saying all that, I thought, like, you know, my first piece is going to be onyx, for the reasons that onyx is supposed to be really durable, and it's black, it goes with everything. I wear lots of black, so that's why I thought, like, you know what, I'm gonna have onyx earrings. But right now when I look at them, I don't know why onyx in yellow gold, it makes these earrings look so traditional. And I would say somebody who is really young and vibrant, it may be not gonna have effect on you, but obviously I'm quite mature woman. I almost feel that these earrings like making me look even older. I don't know, it's just like, you know, something I put inside my head. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have appointment with my sales associate at the One Cleef and see if I may choose different color of the stone, or maybe just the pure gold. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do, because frankly I really was excited about the black earrings, because I thought they will be perfect for my wardrobe, but now I'm kind of not so sure. So let me know what you think. I honestly gonna keep you updated what I have decided, you know, about these earrings. Have I decided to keep the black onyx in yellow gold, or did I switch to other colors? Then obviously, you know, more unboxing will come. But let me know if I'm doing the right decision. What do you think? How they look like on me? Today intentionally I don't have any other jewelry. I just wanna, like, you know, have these earrings on and just see how I feel about the earrings. So that's how they look like. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. So that's about it for today. And as I said, I'm kind of like, you know, not underwhelmed, because I knew exactly what I'm getting into. I kind of like already saw these earrings. I actually even tried one earring from my friend, and you know, one thing's when you're trying somebody else's earrings just like, you know, for a couple of seconds, and totally different things when it's your own and you try them in front of the mirror. You can also try them like, you know, with different outfits. And frankly, I thought that they're not looking the best on me. I don't know, maybe I am crazy. Let me know what you think, how they look like on me. In any case, I will keep you updated with, you know, the progress of my first one Cleef piece. But I'm extremely excited, either this one or if I'm gonna switch to other color. I'm extremely excited to, like, you know, to have my first one Cleef piece, and hopefully not the last one. That's about it for today. By the way, if you have already one Cleef Onyx earrings, and I know it's one of the most popular piece, put all your comments below, because I saw many, because I watched so many other YouTubers, and many of them, they're saying they went for the black one again because it's more durable, but then they actually regret. They said, I should have gone for mother of pearl because I was worried that mother of pearl is very delicate, but I should have gone for mother of pearl. Let me know what you think, because I'm really panicking over here. Thank you very much for being here with me, for listening all these my bubbles, and put all your comments below. That's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.